Hey there, and welcome to another episode of Flatbread Friday. Today we are going to make a pizza out of stuff that we had on hand. We're going to play. And what I had was, a few days ago, I made the shrimp scampi filo cups for our appetizers segment on the website and social media. And last week's pizza had some shredded chicken on it, which I froze, so I pulled that out of the freezer. And I saw these beautiful little San Marzano, it's supposed to be mini San Marzano tomatoes, and you'll see them, they're gorgeous. And some fresh basil, and some Parmesan, and some mozzarella, and some tomato sauce, and we are going to put together a chicken scampi pizza. We're going to begin with a preheated oven to 425, and we're going to line a baking sheet with parchment. And this is my favorite commercial pizza crust. It's very good, and it comes out really great, and you can use it for calzones or for pizza or for anything you want that needs pizza dough. And we're going to unwrap it and put it out on our sheet, and then we're going to build our pizza. Okay, the dough's laid out, and we're going to go around the edges and just pinch it up a little bit to create a crust. You could go all the way out to the edges on this if you wanted to. I like a pizza crust, so that's what we're gonna do. And you go all the way around, just pinching and folding and pinching and folding. And we are gonna par bake this crust because that's what the manufacturer recommends. And okay. We're crusted and we're going in. While the crust is par baking, we are going to take our shredded chicken meat, and I took the scampi butter and melted it in the microwave, and we're going to toss the chicken up in the scampi butter. I was originally going to use this for the base of the chicken, like the sauce, but I decided this would be a better, more flavorful way to go. So in she goes, and we're going to just toss it up. Get that chicken all scampified. It's gonna be good. Our pizza crust has come out of the oven. The edge didn't stay up very well, but we still have a little bit of a line of demarcation that we can use with our imagination. And now we're gonna put some sauce on it. Just something out of a jar or something you made. And we're gonna spread that around all over. Our pizza is now sauced, nice and even all over. And now we're going to take some shredded mozzarella. And I thought I opened this bag. But now it's open. Sprinkle that all over the top. Until it's nicely edge to edge and side to side. So it's edge to edge and side to side. And now we're gonna pop on our chicken. Ugh, butter's getting hard, but that's okay. Spread that all over. And the chicken is on. And now we're going to do those. I took these tomatoes and I cut them in half, but look how beautiful they are. Perfect and red. And anyway, we're going to scatter these all over the top. Nice and evenly. And there they are. And those are going to do up nice in the oven. Then we're going to sprinkle the whole thing with some Parmesan cheese. Gives it a nice crust and a bit of sharpness. There is already Parmesan cheese in the scampi butter, but that's okay. And that is that. Now, this guy is ready to go in the oven. You know, as you know, my fresh basil has gone into the dryer for the winter. And I was looking at the store for some fresh basil, and this is the only thing I could find. It was a little plant. And I thought it was a good idea because maybe I could have fresh basil for the whole winter. So I picked up some of the top leaves and we are going to make a chiffonade to finish off our pizza with when it comes out of the oven. So, what you do to make the chiffonade is you stack the leaves, big to small, and then you roll them up like a cigar. Hold that because those leaves aren't even. And then you take a knife, a nice sharp knife, and you just slide it through. And what you come up with is a bunch of little basil curlicues, which are going to go great on top of our chicken scampi pizza. This is what they look like. So we're going to top, that's what we're going to top our pizza with when it comes out of the oven. So here it is, our chicken scampi pizza. It looks amazing, and you should smell this guy. Oh my God. So we're going to take our chiffonade that we made, and we're going to sprinkle it all over. You want to do that when it's nice and hot, because then the basil will sort of soften and, you know, cookish and become a part of this pizza instead of just a decoration. And not too much there. Let's spread it around a little bit. And there you have it. In 1 second, we're going to cut it and serve it. Okay, I've transferred this bad boy to a cutting board, and we are going to cut him. All sliced up, and now we're gonna put some on a pretty plate. Check that out. Does that look good enough to eat or what? So delicious. And one of these, and a little garnish, and there you have our Flatbread Friday this week. Friday, why do I have trouble saying Friday? Anyway, this is our chicken scampi pizza, and I hope you make it, and I hope you like it, and happy Flatbread Friday. See you soon.